Welcome to Gayathri's Cook Spot. I am Gayathri Kumar and today I'll show you how to make a triple chocolate ice cream cake. This ice cream is no churn ice cream and it can be made easily with agar powder. On top of that there is a beautiful chocolate flour. First let us make the cake. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees centigrade. Mix together maida, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, cocoa powder and whisk to well combine. You can also sift all things together. Now add oil, milk, vinegar and vanilla essence. Mix until a slightly thick batter is formed. Add hot water to instant coffee powder and add it to the batter. Now mix everything together to form a smooth batter. Grease, dust and line a 5.5 inches square inches tin and pour the batter into it. And bake the cake for 35 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once cool, flip it onto the wire rack and cover with cling film and refrigerate it until assembling. This is the arrangement in which you will be assembling the chocolate cake. A cake board covered with cling film, cut to the size of the square cake ring and OHP sheets fitted inside. Like I've cut some strips out of OHP sheets and used cellophane tape to stick it to the ring. Now let us make the dark chocolate layer. Mix together dark chocolate and Amul low fat cream and either use microwave or double boiler to melt it. Whip sweet and heavy cream until stiff peaks form. You can use either dairy cream or non-dairy cream. If using unsweetened cream, add some icing sugar to make it sweet. In another bowl, mix together Amul low fat cream and agar powder or with gelatin. As I am going to freeze the cake, the amount of veg gelatin is lesser. But if you are planning on a mousse cake, you can add a little bit extra of veg gelatin so that it sets in the fridge. Now mix the cream to the chocolate mix while the chocolate is still hot. Mix it well. And now we need the mixture to be cool before adding the whipped cream. So I am placing the whole chocolate bowl on an ice bath and add the whipped cream. Mix it well and your dark chocolate layer is ready. For assembling the first layer, take your cake ring and keep it ready. Remove the cling film from the cake. Slice the top. Into the cake ring, pour some of the dark chocolate mixture to cover the base and place the cake on top of it, exactly at the center. Now pour the remaining dark chocolate mixture and use it to fill the sides. Freeze this for 1 hour. By the time, make the next batch of milk chocolate using the same recipe. Pour it on top of the dark chocolate layer. Again freeze this for 1 hour. Next, make a white chocolate layer using the same recipe and pour it on top. Freeze it for just 15 minutes because we need to add a chocolate glaze to this. To dark chocolate, add Amul cream, and liquid glucose. And melt it in microwave or double boiler. It needs to be very smooth. Now pour this over the white chocolate mixture. And with the help of the spatula, make swirls on top. You can completely omit the chocolate layer too, but this looks very good. Freeze the whole setup overnight. The next day, remove all the sellotape from the sides. Place it on the square tin and loosen the sides with the spatula. As the cake ring doesn't have a base, you can remove it from the bottom. Just like you remove the pie or tart bases. Remove the ring carefully. And remove the OHP sheets. As the cake is frozen, it will be very easy for you to remove everything. Now freeze the cake and make the chocolate flan. Attach an OHP sheet on a roller. I've used my biggest roller, and with the help of a spoon, shape the chocolate mixture. This is just plain melted chocolate and in the shape of a petal. You may need some 16 to 18 petals. What I did was I made 8 medium sized petals and 8 large petals. You need to set it in fridge for 5 or 10 minutes and then you can remove the petals easily. Once the petals are ready, you can arrange the flower. On a parchment square, add some melted chocolate and arrange the petals. Chocolate actually acts as a glue, and as the petals are actually cold, it sets super fast. Use the larger petals at first, and then when the flower goes in inner, you can use the smaller petals. Add some melted chocolate in the center and add some edible sugar beads. That's it. The chocolate flower is done. You can refrigerate it for some time and then add it to the cake. I prepared a cake board for the cake. I'll be doing a video for this later. Place the cake on the cake board, place the flower and pipe some ganache beads so that the cake board is not seen. That's it. You have completed a triple chocolate ice cream cake. It looks beautiful, right? And this is my daughter's birthday cake. Use a warm knife to slice the cake because just out of freezer it's so tough to slice. This looks really good, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, comment and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel.